version B by Anna Dittmann in 42 by 70 cm rounds. Special treatment starts with electric diamonds sprinkled on the large snowflake by her forehead. So simply sprinkle it along the snowflake just to give it some added glisten. Version B by Anna Dittmann in 42 by 70 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds more electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the larger snowflake by her chin, as well as the one to the side of her face. So we've got some sprinkled over here. You don't have to necessarily fill the entire snowflake with the electric diamonds, but simply sprinkle it along the lines of the snowflake that you see, together with this one over here, whereas the rest sprinkle it in the background. And this is for version 2 of Elsa. Elsa version B, 42 by 70 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds morganite that we have sprinkled in all of the pink areas on the painting. So this would be on portions of her lips, her cheek, her nose, her eyelids, and also on some areas of her hair. So choose the areas where you would like to place your morganite, provided it is pink on the canvas, and this will give you this very nice subtle sheen on her face.